A very good morning to my dear students. Hope you all are safe and secure. Stay home, stay safe. Welcome back to today's English class. In the previous class, we have started Unit 6, C Reading, Maestro with the Mission, Part 1. Before entering into the Part 2, let us revise the Part 1 lesson. This is a story of Dr. Vempati Chinnasatyam, who dedicated his life for the cause of Kuchipudi. Vempati Chinnasatyam was born in a poor family in Kuchipudi village. From his childhood, he had a strong desire to take the Kuchipudi dance form to the status of a classical dance. Kuchipudi dance form originated in the village Kuchipudi. In the beginning, the art was limited to temple fairs. Men used to perform the roles of women also. Some great gurus reformed and transformed it. Still, it was not recognized as a classical form of dance. Vempati left his house at the age of 18. He walked all the way to Chennai from his village. The distance he walked was nearly 400 kilometers. Tadepalli Peraya Sastri and Vedantam Lakshmi Narayana Sastri taught him the difficult aspects of Kuchipudi style and inspired him. So, Tadepalli Peraya Sastri and Vedantam Lakshmi Narayana Sastri taught Vempati the difficult and the importance of Kuchipudi style, and they inspired Vempati. Satyam developed a genuine and ardent interest towards the art form. Meaning of ardent, serious. So Vempati Satyam developed a genuine and serious interest towards the art form. He sometimes sold his meal tickets to watch dance programs in Chennai. He also used to sell his meal tickets, lunch tickets and food tickets, and he used to go and watch the dance programs in Chennai. He only wanted to liberate Kuchipudi from the clutches of insignificance and oblivion. Meaning of clutches, control. Meaning of insignificance, not to be considered important. Meaning of oblivion, state of being unnoticed. He only wanted to make the Kuchipudi to notice everybody, that is why it is one of the great art form. With encouragement from his cousin Vempati Pedasatyam, Vempati Chinnasatyam tried his luck in Telugu film world. So with encouragement of his cousins Vempati Pedasatyam and Vempati Chinnasatyam also, he tried his luck in the Telugu film world. Can the Telugu film lovers forget the dance sequences in Nartanashala, Devadasu and Pandava Vanavasam? So these are the three Telugu movies. Can you remember, children? These film lovers cannot forget the dance sequences, dances in these movies. Even now, the film admirers become nostalgic when they recollect those sequences. So the film admirers become nostalgic, meaning of nostalgic, unforgettable. They never forget the dance sequences in the particular movies when they recollect. Meaning of recollect, recall those sequences. Thus, Dr. Vempati has carved a niche in Telugu films as well as a dance director. Meaning of carve niche, built reputation. He built a reputation in Telugu films as well as a dance director. Dr. Vempati was not satisfied with his success in the tinsel world. Meaning of tinsel world, film world. So, Dr. Vempati was not satisfied with his success in the film world. His desire to popularize Kuchipudi grew stronger. His desire is to popularize Kuchipudi to grow stronger, make the Kuchipudi an important art. He established Kuchipudi Art Academy for this purpose in 1963 in Madras. To make Kuchipudi grow stronger, he established a Kuchipudi Art Academy in 1963 in Madras. As many as 180 solo items and 15 dance dramas were composed and choreographed by Dr. Vempati. So he performed 180 solo items and 15 dance dramas. He composed and choreographed. Those have been performed all over the world. So these 180 solo items and 15 dance dramas were performed all over the world.
he composed his first dance drama, Sri Krishna Parijatam, followed by Ksheerasagara Madanam. Both were received well by the audience all around the world and brought laurels to Vempati. Meaning of laurels, make famous. So, first dance drama, Sri Krishna Parijatam, followed by Ksheerasagara Madanam. Both dance dramas the audience received well, and he became most popular all over the world. Some of the masterpieces like Padmavati Srinivasa Kalyanam, composed by Dr. Vempati, are the symbols of depth of his knowledge and mastery over Kuchipudi. So some of the masterpieces, some of the well-known dance dramas, Padmavati Srinivasa Kalyanam, composed by Dr. Vempati, these are the symbols of his knowledge and skills over Kuchipudi. He had an ability to communicate each nuance of the dance to connoisseurs and laypersons equally well. Meaning of nuance, subtle difference. Meaning of connoisseurs, judge of an art. Meaning of laypersons, common person. So, as a common person, Vempati Chinnasatyam has a skill to communicate the judge of an art. Dr. Vempati's distinguished disciples include Shantarao, Yamini Krishnamurti, Vaijayantimala Bali, Hema Malini, Manju Bhargavi, Shobha Naidu, Balakondal Rao, and Daggubati Purandeshwari, etc. Every one of these disciples take pride in being a disciple of Dr. Vempati. The disciples Shantarao, Yamini Krishnamurti, Vaijayantimala Bali, Hema Malini, Manju Bhargavi, Shobha Naidu, Balakondal Rao, and Daggubati Purandeshwari feel a deep pleasure to be the disciple of Dr. Vempati. For all that he has done to the development and emergence of Kuchipudi to a full-fledged dance form, Dr. Vempati was rightly conferred the much coveted Padma Bhushan title by the government of India. Meaning of emergence, evolution. Meaning of full-fledged, complete. Meaning of coveted, liked by everyone to have. Dr. Vempati was liked by each and everyone, and the government titled him with Padma Bhushan. Andhra University awarded him an honorary doctorate in 1980. So Andhra University also awarded him honorary doctorate in 1980. Sri Venkateswara University, Tirupati honored him with an honorary degree. Dr. Literature in 1983. Dr. Satyam was presented with the Golden Key by the Mayor of Miami, USA, Stephen P. Clark, in the year 1981. So, Dr. Satyam was presented with the Golden Key by the Mayor of Miami. He was chosen for the Sangeet Natak Academy Fellowship, and the Raja Lakshmi Foundation Madras presented the Raja Lakshmi Award. So, he was also chosen for the Sangeet Natak Academy Fellowship, and the Raja Lakshmi Foundation Madras also presented him the Raja Lakshmi Award. These are only a few to mention. So these are only the few awards to be mentioned. There are so many feathers in his cap. Meaning of feathers in his cap is achievements. So there are so many achievements. In the year 1976, the TTD made Satyam the Asthana Natyacharam. So the TTD also made him the Asthana Natyacharam. He was born to Venkatachalamaya and Varalakshmi on 15th October 1929. So, he was born to Venkatachalamaya, his father, and Varalakshmi, his mother, on 15th October 1929. He led an illustrious life of 83 years, and he breathed his last on 29th July 2012. Meaning of illustrious, remarkable life. He has a remarkable life of 83 years, and he died on 29th July 2012. He was survived by his wife Swarajya Lakshmi, 2 sons and 3 daughters. So, his one wife's name was Swarajya Lakshmi, and he is having 2 sons and 3 daughters. All the Telugu speakers identify themselves with Kuchipudi. So all the Telugu speakers, they themselves identify with Kuchipudi. The rest of the world looks at Kuchipudi and Dr. Vempati's stupendous work with reverent eyes. Meaning of stupendous, amazingly large. Meaning of reverent, filled with honor. Kuchipudi has also established itself on par with other classical dance forms of India like Bharatanatyam, Kathak and Kathakali. So Kuchipudi has also established itself as an equal to other classical dance forms of India like Bharatanatyam, Kathak and Kathakali. So countless people worked for Kuchipudi, but Dr. Vempati remains the source of inspiration to such people, and he remains at the center stage of Kuchipudi's surge as a classical dance form in modern India. But many people, countless people, they worked for Kuchipudi. But Dr. Vempati only remains the inspiration to such people as he remains at the center stage of Kuchipudi in the form in modern India. Hence, he can rightly be called maestro with a mission.
Once again, let us revise the lesson. In Chennai, Vempati tried his luck in the film field. He had a few successes to his credit, but he was not satisfied with that. He established Kuchipudi Art Academy in 1963 in Madras. He composed and choreographed several dance dramas. He had an ardent disciples like Yamini Krishnamurti, Vaijantimala Bali, Hema Malini, Daggubati Purandeshwari. Finally, his efforts started bearing fruit. His efforts were recognized in and outside India. He received many awards and held many prestigious positions. He led an illustrious life of 83 years and breathed his last on 29th July 2012. Hence, he is a maestro with a mission.
Now, let us go through the glossary of the lesson. Meaning of ardent, serious. Meaning of clutch, control. Meaning of insignificance, not to be considered important. Meaning of oblivion, state of being unnoticed. Meaning of nostalgic, unforgettable. Meaning of recollect, recall. Meaning of calm, a ditchy, built reputation. Meaning of tinsel world, fill world. Meaning of bring laurels, make famous. Meaning of nuance, subtle difference. Meaning of consensus, judge of an art. Meaning of converted, liked by everyone to have. Meaning of layperson, common person. Meaning of emergence, evolution. Meaning of full-fledged, complete. Meaning of feather in a cap, achievement. Meaning of illustrious, remarkable. Meaning of stupendous, amazingly large. Meaning of reverent, filled with honor. Now, let us go through the question answers. First question. Vempati Chinna Satyam left his house on a purpose. Do you think he was successful at the end? Yes, children. Vempati Chinna Satyam. Why did he left? What was his purpose? His purpose was to make Kuchipudi a great art. Do you think he was successful at the end? Yes. Vempati Chinna Satyam left his house on a purpose. It was to elevate the status of Kuchipudi. Because of his efforts, Kuchipudi rose to the status of a classical dance. Isn't it? Kuchipudi became equal to another dance like Bharatanatyam, Kathak and Kathakali. It was recognized nationally and internationally. His efforts were recognized everywhere. I think he was successful. Isn't it? He was successful at the end. When the station master asked Satyam, "Where are you going on, dear?" he kept silent. Now choose one of the options that is not the reason for the silence. So now choose one of the options, children, that he is not silence for the silence there. Yes. First option, he was determined to achieve something. Option B, he was determined and confident about his destiny. He was determined or confident about his destiny. What was the correct answer? Why did he keep silence? Now what was the correct answer here? Yes, he was determined or confident about his
destiny. If the 18-year-old lad hadn't left his village, Kuchipudi would not have gained this popularity. Do you agree or disagree? Why? Isn't it? If the 18-year-old lad, if he did not left his village, Kuchipudi would not gain this popularity. Do you agree with this or disagree with this? Let us come to the answer. Kuchipudi was known to very few people before the work done by Chinna Satyam. Isn't it? Kuchipudi was not at all known by everybody. It is only known by very few people. Till then, it was limited to a small area. It is true that the 18-year-old lad was the sole reason of the recognition that Kuchipudi is enjoying today. So I agree that if he had not left his village, Kuchipudi would not have gained this popularity. Is it appropriate to call him Dr. Vempati? Do you agree? Why not? So is it appropriate to call him as Dr. Vempati, children? Yes, it is appropriate to call him Dr. Vempati. He was ardent lover of Kuchipudi. He knew everything about it. He was honored with honorary doctorates by 2 universities. He was responsible for the astounding progress of Kuchipudi. So, it is fully justified to call him Dr. Vempati. So, children, read the lesson once again carefully and write the glossary and comprehension in your classwork and send it to my given WhatsApp number. Thank you.